Want to start using the new Apple Invites app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Apple Invites on iPhone. Now let's get started. To download Apple Invites, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Apple Invites at the top. Tap Apple Invites when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Apple Invites. That's all it takes to download Apple Invites. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.